Hello friends, welcome you again a new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your smartphone like pin, pattern, password lock. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking, and the biggest thing is from this video we will also know that how can you remove the password lock of your mobile without any computer and without any data loss. This method is also used in the service center now, and you can use it. By doing this you can unlock any Android smartphone at home. So let's start it. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cold mind. Whenever your mobile is locked, first of all you have to fully battery charge of your smartphone, that your mobile will not switched off in the process of unlocking. If your mobile will switched off, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. First of all, you must full battery charged of your smartphone. Then after, use the offline mode. In this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option. From here, click this emergency SOS. Then after, click dial pad. Then after, I am telling you a code to open this offline mode. In this offline mode, you have to put the some security codes. Star hash 5616169 star 125511 and hash. This is the latest offline mode code. This is belongs to all Android smartphone. And after, you have to call this option for 3 times. You have to click on the call option. Then after, you show this call failed option. Then you have to ignore this pop-up and click on the OK button. You have to repeat this process for 3 times continuously. Click on the call option and click also OK button. And 3. After completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode or offline mode, flight mode. From these shortcuts, you have to click the airplane mode, and now your smartphone will completely go to offline mode. The offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated. You still have one process left, and this process is only you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode, meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and another most important steps. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use a secret code to open engineer mode also in, and this code is firstly you have to clear these numbers and click the put the new engineer mode code. This is a star hash 899 and hash. And as you will, by clicking on the last hash option button, the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone, and you can see that many options are showing here. Now you have to take some important steps here. As you are looking at the number 5 option here, this is software version. It is showing you the software version option. Now you have to click on this software version, and here you will now see the Android version. Click on the software version and see on the number 2 option. This is Android version. Okay, clearly. Now it has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 13 here, 12 here, 11 here, 10 here, then you have to click it 13 times, 12 times, 11 times and 10 times. This is Android version 13 here, so then I have to click it for 13 times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. As soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back. Okay. After this process, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test. On the number 4, you have to click the manual test option. Okay. Now some new pages will comes in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to the other by swiping it from the side. And now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in this very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version 9 times or mainboard version 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, clear? When the now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. When you open it the first time, you have to click cancel button. Second time you also click the read write important log test option and click the cancel button. In the third time also repeat the same process, but in the fourth time you don't have to click cancel button, you have to click OK button. Then you now you will see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will completely go to the unlocked. Now you have to go to the device debugging page from this page, and this is device debugging page. And here you will by seeing very many options here. You have to find sensor self test and calibration. You have to open this option, and now you can see that there are many options. There are all the options. In default operation not a started mode, you have to start it automatically by touching it like this. And here you will get see a message of a test pass. If your test pass message has not come, then your work is not done. If your test pass message at least one come, then your work is done. But if you are still don't see a pass message here and the test error message is coming, so understand till now your pass message will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again and again. And as you see pass message here, by the way, you have to click home button here, and you can see that your mobile phone is unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock any Android smartphone at your home in just only 2 minutes, 3 minutes. If your mobile phone is still not unlocked, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comments so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video.